Hello everyone, so today I have to make another tutorial. First, please give me a like. This is my fifth time of the recording because I failed for record for another 4 times. There's a lot of issue. How to remove the background on the recording, or maybe you have to live stream. You can also using this kind of method so that you can put your character or any way you want. Okay, so now let's start the tutorial. So first you have to get for this tutorial I will focus on the using the OBS. So if you're using the another software, maybe the methods are almost the same, maybe the name is some kind of different, but overall you still can use the same method for recording or live stream. Okay, so today's tutorial is about the OBS. So the OBS, when you download it, you will some kind of this kind of layout. Originally, I think there's not have the status. It's something like this. For me, I just love to open that one. This one is very personal. If you like to on it, just enable it at the setting. Okay, so and another thing is about first you must open your vseeface first. Okay, so this one is your vseeface. First thing first, if you want to make it the fully transparent, in the vseeface setting you can press a little white button here. Have you seen it? So you just click it. You have this kind of transparent background for the design. Okay, so for the another, this one icon, you wish to disable it, you just press the space bar, then the button will disappear. So this one is overall is the vseeface. So another thing is you have to open your this one and using the game catcher. Okay, the name you can name it yourself. Okay, any name you would love to. Okay, for me I already created. First you have to click the button, then using the game catcher, so you will see some kind of this kind of menu. So any name you love to name it, just name it yourself, or you already have the setup, you also can click the setup here. Okay, after that, for me I already created, so this one is my created window here. This one is the window of the window show. So this window is the perspective. First, you choose the capture specific window. Then for your window, you have to select your vseeface. Okay. So overall, until here, this is the most important thing. For this one, you have to originally this one is disabled. So now you just click the allow transparency. Then the all things is transparency. I think you can see already. So all the things is transparent. Okay. So this one is another capture console. This one is you want to enable or disable is decided by you. For me, I will disable it. Okay. So this one, yeah, your character is already transparent. So maybe there's another situation showing your real face. You are using your webcam. Okay, this one is about the OBS tutorial. Another thing, if you want to record directly from the camera, the webcam, okay, from the webcam, you also can do something like this. How you do that? You just click the add button, then you go to the video capture device. Okay, video capture device, inside there you can select which device you want to record. For this one, for me now I will select my vseeface as a webcam. Okay, you also can select from here. You see vseeface camera. For some time you want to live stream yourself, yeah, your physical body, physical handsome or beautiful face. Okay, so you can select the webcam inside here. then you click OK. For this one, I think I forgot to disable some setting. So let's disable it first. You as a lecturer, maybe sometimes you have to talk or say something on the whiteboard or something. Okay, so you can just choose. This one is your webcam. You can position it anywhere you want. Okay, you have to click the video capture filter. After that, you click the filter. So because most of the time you will have a clean background, or maybe your background is very messy, there is two ways to create another transparent thing. There is two options inside here. You just click add. Then one is called the chroma key. Another is the out luma key. Okay. For the luma key is some kind of the messy background. This might be warped sometime. Okay. You see, it is transparent but not that transparent. You see, this one is become a little bit weird for the effect. Okay, for in this case, okay, in this case using the chroma key is better. But for the virtual character, the background is almost too perfect. So the layout of the transparent is very perfect. So sometimes you meet a bit like you might crop your t-shirt, or maybe your face, your makeup, the skin color, maybe the hair color, where effect of the, maybe you have a green hair. If you're using the green screen, your hair will become transparent too. So for this kind of situation, maybe you have to change another your background, maybe, or you can just play the anything set up at below here. Feel brave to test anything you want to test it. Make it, try to adjust it little bit and little bit. All the thing will become perfect. Until now, I'm still a lot of things still learning. There's a lot of things for live streaming or recording. Okay, so for today's tutorial, before today's tutorial, and I think I also can teach you one easy way to do something. Maybe someday you will use it. For this one, you can disable it by clicking the eyes so that the screen will, the webcam will disable. Okay, maybe sometimes you will use it. Okay, as you can see, sometimes something you cannot crop away. Maybe this one you can create then disappear, but for some situation you cannot make it. So you just have to click the things on your keyboard, Alt+, then create your character, create your anything you want to select on the OBS. Then you're using the Alt on your keyboard, or on the MacBook is using the CMD button. Then you can just select it and slice it. Then the side thing also will disappear. Also a great way you can use it. But this one, a bit disadvantage is if you over the line, your character will become a bit being cropped. Okay. So this one is today's tutorial. If you have any question, just ask below. As this tutorial is someone is asking me to make it. I am happy that there was someone to ask me question, because if they ask something I don't know, that means it's the time I have to learn for something new. So please ask me, okay? Thank you for the question. Thank you for the view. Thank you for the like. Okay? Thank you. See you and goodbye.